Hello, good evening, my viewers. This is the Legon Hills project. We are now on the decking, so we are doing half of it. After that, then we'll move the ground for the another half. So you can see the another one. It's a big project. All those a big project. So in terms of economical way and to save costly. So that is the reason why we are doing half of it. After that, then we'll move the project to the other side. So you can see this is the flesh. To continue, we have started slab. We are doing the beams. With the beams. So after this one, then we come to the other one. After the staircase, go toward the down, doing the rings. So this is the Legon Hills project. So we're on it to give you an update of it.
So that was Nee for you with the update. Nee is our still bender here at Gigo Production Group. If you go to my playlist, you will see his name and the amazing works that he's been doing, helping people with their projects. So if you like what you see, you're about to do your decking, you need a still bender, Nee is your guy. Get in touch with Nee. And also when it comes to carpentry work, right, if you need a carpenter that will do your board framework for you with a decking, Ifo is your guy, right? That is their numbers on the screen. You can get in touch with them. And with the collaboration of Ifo and Nee, trust me, you won't have any problem with your decking, right? They communicate nicely. If you watch most of my projects, they've been working together. So it's not going to be a problem having the two of them on board, right? So get in touch with them if you like what you see here. And if it is your first time seeing this project, this is the East Legon Hills apartment project that we started last year, and we are the decking phase.
So this is the East Legon Hills project. The plan here is to finish one side of the apartment. That's the decking side of it. Then we move the boards to the other side. So as you could see, this side, the carpentry work and the reinforcement work is done at this side, preparing to do the electrical works and the plumbing works. And then we can do the casting. Then we wait for 21 days, then remove the board to complete the other half of it. So this is what is ongoing currently at the East Legon Hills project. We've done with the first half of it, and the staircase carpentry work is also going on. So maybe tomorrow the strip benders will be here to complete the reinforcement work at this side of it. Hopefully we want to cast it by the close of week. You see, there was heavy downpour here yesterday. Let me show you. So this is why when working at site like this, you need to plan and plan very well. We were lucky that we brought our material before the rain came in yesterday. Like we'll not be able to access the site. You see, more than 12 hours since the rain, but you could see there is rainwater stuck everywhere. Look at this. This area was flooded yesterday. Look at it. It's still not submerged. to us see the rainwater there. So the access to the site, this is it. The last time when they were coming, even without the rain yesterday, they were not able to access the site. You see, that's where they pour our first batch of the sun. You see, so working on site like this, there are a lot of factors you have to consider. So imagine you are casting concrete and your sun is there and your machine is planted somewhere here. So to fed the sun from this side, your stone tool is at the front. And look at where they pour your sun. Look at where the sun is. So before you fetch the sun from that side to where the machine will be mounted, it's a lot of things. So if you have to, roughly you have to employ 2 people to fetch the sun, you have to double it. You have to take at least 4 people before you can fetch the same sun like you need 2 people to fetch. So in construction, there are a lot of hidden factors that we don't see, you did not see on your estimate. These are all the things. Look at it. So imagine we plan to work today, or we plan to cast the concrete today. Even the machine concrete mixer to get to the site today, it's not possible. You see, so we have to wait for the water or to drain from the floor and the floor to be hardened before any vehicle can access the site. See, so these are the small things you should bear with us when giving an estimate. You just want to open eyes. The 1 CD and the 2 CDs that you've seen on it, you know, it's for some of these things. So this is it. This is it. Look at where the stone is here. 1 stone 2 is here. 1 sand is here. But the other one, look at where we pour it. It's far from the site. So bear with us. These are the things that we go through every day to make sure your work is done. So when estimate come and you see 1 CD or 2 CDs for it, maybe you've gone to ask. Prices do differ. Sometimes where you are working determines the price of the material too, and the time you are asking for the price of the material. So I want all of you to bear with us when you see some small difference in the pricing of materials and those things. It's not for any shaggy reasons. It's for things like this.
So far, this is the end of. So far, this is the end of the steel work, structure work. The staircase, it's double weaving. So you can see we have done it. Now you can see. While the electrician and the plumber are still on it.
So fast forward, the electrician and the plumber are here working together with me, the steel bender. I mean, it's all about teamwork here. Working together as a team is the best. And I mean, this is the best group you ever have on your project, right? So there's no need of hustling, trying to get artisan to show up and all that, all kinds of stories. I mean, here at Acccra Production Group, you skip all those stuff, right? So fast forward, I mean, the first phase of the decking has been, casted already. I didn't want to take us through the process because we have to do it in 2 phases, right? To save cost so that we can reuse the materials. I mean, the wood, wood is expensive. And you can see this is the second time we're about to use this wood, but it still looks new, right? This is when you have a good carpenter who can handle your wood very well. I mean, we'll be done with this and we have to go to the next floor with another decking. So, I mean, we can use this wood like 4 times, but I mean, sometimes the board we still have to kind of top up a little bit. I mean, if we have to use it 4 times, then, but I mean, this is what we've been preaching here at Gigo Production Group, right? It's all about the teamwork.
Good morning, good morning. Yeah, we are continuing the East Legon. this Legon's project, we have cast the half, so we are now doing the another half. So we'll start the beams today. So you can see the rods, the 10 mm, 16 mm. You can see that man is straightening the 16 mm. So you can see. Straightening self. We are now at the second part. You can see the rods. How you to them at the ground. So you can see it well clearly. Good. We are on it. So we'll continue. We'll add it. We'll continue to update you wherever we wish. Thank you very much. So for this, where we have reached, or where we have got, we have started laying the bus. I see. Those are secret beams. Another one here, another one here. See. Another one too. This other place.
So if it is your first time seeing this particular project, this is the East Legon Hills apartment project, which is a 2-bedroom apartment at each side. If you want to see more about this, if you go to my playlist, you see how we started with this particular project and how we will be going in the future as well, right? So stay tuned for the next episode, which when we're done with the decking, right, and then we have to go with the block works and move on to the next phase, right? So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next episode. Look do we.